Okay. What do I want to talk about today? What problem does what problem does Bitcoin solve? And I think the best thing to one of the things I was thinking about to discuss was all these people are into Bitcoin. And it's one of these things where it's like, well, why? A lot of the internally we hear about Bitcoin, and in general in life we hear about different things. We hear about Bitcoin and it's like, ugh, like I don't know, just like a repulse kind of feeling, no, an instinct to just like pick, like no, I'm against it, and then you just kind of pick I'm against it, and then your mind just starts to like find reasons why, just kind of push it away. It's I was thinking recently about this, and I was liking it to the internet, and I was looking back and on YouTube, and I was watching old commercials about the internet, news shows talking about, well, what is the internet, and different people talking down on the internet. I remember myself when the internet was coming out, I didn't think much of it. I didn't really dive into it, divulge into what it is. I do remember people, there was like a buzz of like, there's this crazy thing out there. It would have been interesting at that time to look into exactly, to be ahead of everybody. Like, what is this all about? What's the big deal? And with Bitcoin, I feel like that same buzz is there. And if you can take the time to stop and say, well, what is going on here? Like, what exactly is going on here? What is the big deal? And one of the problems with Bitcoin is trying to understand how it works. You have to understand the economy. You have to understand how dollars are produced. You got to understand economics. You got to understand a lot of stuff. You got to understand computer coding. It's a lot. And I had this thought of, well, let's think about it compared to a computer. And it's like, do you really understand how a computer works?